a quick 10-minute manicure at home. Soak your hands in nice warm soapy water for about a minute. Then clean them and dry them. And after you finish drying them, take a little cuticle pusher and push the cuticles back. The nails are nice and soft, the cuticles are soft, so it's easy for them to go back. After that, you can take the edge of the cuticle pusher and just scrape away the dry cells. Wet your hands a little bit. Take a little of a scrub. I love this scrub. It's nice and sugary and yummy. It's a scrub by Soulflower. You scrub your hands for about a minute or two. You can keep going on if you really think you have the time. Clean that off then and be ready for the next step. Then we take a little bit of a cream. A nice nail cream would do really good. I have a body lotion. I'm using that at home today. Massage your hands, your nails, your hands, your fingers. Massage as long as you want. It's a great feeling, and it's good for the hands and the body. Then cut your nails. My nails have grown really long, so I would like to cut them into a nice square shape. So I cut the top off and then file them. I just file the edges and the top a little bit because I want the square shape to be there. It's in fashion nowadays. Then I start cleaning the insides of the nails. I can use the same nail file to clean the insides of the nails. This way the nails remain clean and nice, and all the dirt that's inside the nails is removed. And now you can see the nails, they're nice and square. Now I'm going to paint them. Ideally, if you have a base coat, use it. I don't have one right now, so I'm just straight away putting the nail polish on my nails. So I put the first coat of the nail polish. I'm using a nice transparent whitish silverish color, and it just gives a little bit of a shine to my nails. I let my nails dry in between, minimum for a minute, and then I'm set for the second coat. I apply the second coat and let that stay on my nails for about 2 minutes, because this is what's going to kind of lock in the color. I'm all set now for the top coat. Why a top coat? A top coat really gives that extra shine and finish to the nails, which you won't get with just a second coat. There's my top coat going on now. And remember to let your nails dry, really dry in between. I usually let my nails dry for at least 3 minutes after the top coat. I really don't have time, so I rush it off. But still, sit, watch some TV, watch a YouTube video and enjoy your nails. And then you're good to go. I think these nails look awesome, don't you?